Magic school bus be like. Magic school bus be like. I can't move. That was me.
Magic school bus if it was in real life. Whoa! You're flying. You just did the wolf emo for a second.
Yeah, we can't move anymore. Yes. School buses are
My
fun.
camera's going in and out.
I know, I don't think mine is too.
Well, what if the glitches are actually broken?
I know, we've done the limousine in the grocery store, and now this, the magic school bus be like. Wait a minute. We're police. Where the police go? What if I do a back? Big back! Big back! Look at the car, look at the car.
What the heck? The bus is getting triggered.
Where's the other bystander? It flipped over. What? Wait, what if we can't? What do we do with the truck, with the semi truck?
With the semi truck? Oh no. My horse is still there.
With this thing.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's only the front part.
Well, let's try to drive this thing.
But let's do this paired with the limousine glitch.
Oh, with the limousine. Oh, yeah, we should. What the tire? Look at the tire.
What the? It got pushed back in.
I know. Alright, let's spawn the limousine. Limousine, where are you? There you are, I found you.
This might be hard to get into the building.
I know. It is.
Bro, look at us. We're not even in the car.
I know. Look at these people. Spider-Man.
POV, you have bad internet.
Wait, what if we spawn in? What if we spawn in a excavator?
Do you just do a breakdance? It's doing a break.
Let's go. What? Look at the people. Wee. What if I remove all?
This is definitely lethal.
Now we can't move. Look at us doing a helicopter. Whoa! What if I turn on? That.
Remember when we were Spider-Man?
Oh yeah, I remember that. Let's go!
Do you remember that?
Yeah. Whoa, we're running. We're going everywhere.
I'm gonna sneak into houses with ladders. Okay. Look at my body.
I'm about to die of laughter.
My body's disintegrating. It's still going. Bro, look at my body.
The horsey! Horsey! No!
Look at the horse. Look at the horse. The horse is dead. The forklift is just like spinning around, and I'm disintegrating. He's doing the wolf emote. He's doing the wolf emote. Why does the horse look like that?
Wait, I can't see. Is
Have you ever seen a horse reset before?
No, I've seen it twice today. Look at the horse or the excavator. I was literally about to die of laughter. Someone is having a rough day. We need to.
Look, there's a shopping cart.
We need to do it with the bulldozer. If I can move.
Look, there's a shopping cart.
It's shrunk. Wait, look at that. Look at the trunk. Do you see the little arm? At my head.
We'll leave and rejoin because I can't respawn.
Okay, wait, but don't re. Wait, hold on. Let me get a bulldozer. Oh,
Now I'm gonna climb people's houses with ladders.
Wait, but what about? Wait, can we do one more vehicle to do have a tantrum?
Huh?
Okay, wait, follow me. Where are you going? I'm at spawn.
The climbing building.
Oh, okay.